Welcome to another video brought to you by ThinkBright. Today we're going to set up remote configuration via TFTP for a Polycom 650 IP phone. This same video can also be used for a Polycom IP 550 if you like. The only difference between these two phones is that this phone, the 650, has 6 call line appearances, where the 550 only has 4. Also, we are going to be powering up this unit via an Ethernet cord using Power over Ethernet technology. Power over Ethernet technology sends electricity through your Ethernet cord as well as network connectivity. And because we have a Power over Ethernet switch, we can do this. So first I'm going to apply power to the unit. As soon as the unit turns on, that's when we're going to begin our remote configuration. So you'll now notice that the unit is powering on here, and we're going to interrupt it by pressing Setup. Once we're in this menu here, you'll notice that it's asking us for a password. The default password for Polycom is 456. So sure enough, just type in 456. Then press OK. Now you're going to go ahead and scroll down till you get to Server Menu. You can select it by pressing the button corresponding to select, or by pressing the check button in the center of the navigation buttons. Select. The first thing we want to do is set our server type to trivial FTP, otherwise known as TFTP. But to do this, we first have to edit the option. So as you can see, server type is already highlighted. So we can now press Edit. We're then going to go ahead and, using the right or left navigation arrows, we will cycle through the options till we get to trivial FTP. Sure enough, one click to the right brings me to trivial FTP, so I'm going to now press OK. The next field is important. This is called the server address, and this is the address that your voice over IP service provider is going to give to you. For our example, we're going to use a dummy address that was given to us, which is 123.123.123.123. This is obviously not a valid address, but for this example, it will do. So first we have to hit Edit once it's selected, which it is. The second thing we're going to have to do, because it is an IP address and we're not putting in letters in here, sometimes your voice over IP service provider will give you an actual domain name like tftp.yourcompany.com. In this case, we were given an IP address. So we actually have to turn the option to number mode. And to do this, we have to press this button over here until the 1 appears before the arrow. So press it one time, and now you'll notice that the 1 is before the arrow, which means we're now in number mode. So we can go ahead now and type in 1, 2, 3, and for period or dot, we'll use the star, the asterisk key. 1, 2, 3, star. 1, 2, 3, star. 1, 2, 3. Now we press OK. We have now set up the phone for TFTP. So we've also put in the address. It's time to exit out and save our changes. So press the exit button, press it one more time, and now you'll have an option for save and reboot. You're going to want to go ahead and proceed by selecting this. You've now saved the configuration, the phone will reboot, and it will now connect to the TFTP server and remotely download firmware as well as your configuration file for remote setup. And you are all set. Thank you for watching another video brought to you by ThinkBright.